Hey everyone, Kyle Ivy here. I wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how to scan documents into your phone, put them in your Google Drive, so you can share those with your Google Classroom. So if you have an iPhone, what you can do is use your Notes app. And I want to go to where it has all of my notes, and where in the bottom right corner I have this little box with a pencil in it. So I'm going to click on that. And it's going to pull up a page where you can start typing your notes. But what I'm going to do is hit this little camera icon that's right here in the middle. And once I do that, Scan Documents comes up. I hit Scan. And so what I want to do is pick up my phone, and I want to highlight the page that I'm trying to scan. I want to make sure that I get all of it. I'm not going to be able to do this with this screen recording. But as I take a picture, you can actually see that there are these little boxes that is drawn around your page. So you want to put those directly, those little dots on the corners of each side of your page. Hit Keep Scan, and so you can see that it makes it a digital worksheet now. So I'm going to hit Save. And once it's here, what I can do is, if I have the Google Drive app on my phone, which I do, and I highly suggest that, you can go up here to this upward button in the box. I can move, oops, sorry about that. I can move over until I find Google Drive. I'm going to pick my school account. Okay. I'm going to select the folder that I want it to go into. I want it to go into my drive, and for now I'm going to do the 2021 school year. And then down here at the bottom it says Save Here and Upload. And so now this is in my Google Drive. So what I can do is go back to my Google Classroom, and I can send this in through my Google Classroom. So this is just a quick tutorial of how you do that. This is a blank sheet, but it will work if you have writing on there as well. So hope you enjoy.
Hey, hey.